Hello, fellow gardeners. Today we will deal with a topic that is very current among gardeners. I have something special for you. Today we will focus on one of the most popular plants in your garden, tomatoes. We all love juicy red tomatoes, but in order to have them, we need to know how to care for them properly. In today's video, we will reveal all the secrets of feeding and protecting tomatoes from diseases. Stay tuned until the end of the video as we reveal the secret ingredient that works wonders. Dear gardeners, before we continue with the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, it's completely free, and turn on the bell to be the first to see each new video. And in the comments below, tell us where you're watching us from. Proper feeding of tomatoes is not only the key to lush growth, but also to disease resistance. Tomatoes are extremely demanding when it comes to nutrition because they need a lot of nutrients to be able to produce tasty and healthy fruits. Tomatoes like sun and heat, and they also need well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Regular watering and high-quality fertilization are key to healthy growth. However, in order for your tomatoes to be as healthy as possible, it is important to apply natural methods of feeding. There are many ways to store your tomatoes, but today we will focus on natural methods that are simple and effective. Use compost or manure to provide essential nutrients. In addition, foliar feeding can be of great benefit because tomatoes easily absorb nutrients through the leaves. Tomatoes are often the target of various diseases, such as blight, powdery mildew, and bacterial wilt. Regularly inspect the plants and remove infected parts to prevent the spread of the disease. Also, avoid watering the leaves to reduce the risk of fungal infections. When it comes to cooking tomatoes, there is one secret ingredient that we will reveal at the end of the video. Stay with us and find out what it is that can transform your tomato into a true pearl of your garden. Did you know that tomatoes are actually a fruit? Although most people think of it as a vegetable because of its use in savory dishes, botanically speaking, tomatoes are fruits. This fact is often the subject of debate, but it does not change the fact that tomatoes are indispensable in many culinary specialties. One of the best ways to make your tomatoes healthy and resistant is to use natural ingredients such as milk and honey. Here's how you can prepare this side dish. 1 liter of milk, 1 spoon of honey, 9 liters of water. Preparation. Mix 1 liter of milk with 1 spoon of honey. Add this mixture to 9 liters of water. Stir well until the honey is completely dissolved. Spray the leaves and stems of tomatoes with the solution once a week. This natural spray not only provides nutrients, but also helps fight fungal diseases due to the antimicrobial properties of honey and lactic acid in milk. Feeding and protection of tomatoes can significantly improve its yield and quality. In addition to basic care, our secret ingredient will help you achieve even better results. Thanks for watching our video. Dear friends, send this video to your friends on social media and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.